Well, our camera finally crapped out. So now we gotta try to use what space we got on this damn card for this camera. Huh. Really wind up doing the videos onto DVD in 2 parts.
Fire alarm from command. Correct, command. Here's this time we're just going to have one safety for transport. Sign off. We can notify traffic of them from the state as well. This is right on the intersection of the state highway. We have a light pole that got hit pretty severely. The base is shattered and bent. Gonna need some work done. Time for, we're working on it. 10-4, unreleased engine 6, holding engine 2.
To anybody never decides to do this, it's worth walking up to an abandoned right away out in the middle of the beautiful wooded area because it's so peaceful. House is way off in the distance. Ouch. Can't believe I got this far. Wow. Boy, I got feel the burn from this walk. That feels good.